Hi, you're watching Professor Plays, and this is my Factorio series, Maze Adventure. I need to hook up Yellow Science today. That's why I'm standing here. But, you know me, I can't resist playing, and so I felt like playing the other day. I didn't record it, but I felt like playing. And I was trying to think of, I don't know, ways that I could antagonize the bugs, I guess. So this is the Maze Adventure, and I have the maze where I can't cross the boundaries. But the roboports will cross the boundaries. So the build area of this roboport does extend over into the other area of the maze where I'm pointing. And that was bug territory, but that doesn't stop me from building things over there using bots. And you can see there, you can see there in the corner of the screen, I don't have any way to get power over there. So I thought, okay, I'll build some solar panels, I'll build some accumulators, I'll tell the bots to put some solar panels and accumulators over there. I'll get enough of those in place to power another roboport, and there it is up there. I'll go to the map view here. So here's where I am, right there, there's me. And I told the bots to go over here and build this, and so they started building. Of course, I had to set up production of, I don't know, maybe I had solar panels already. Anyway, so I'm making solar panels, I'm making accumulators. That's what you need for solar power. And I told the bots to build that. And they could build enough, if I hover over this roboport down here, they could build enough to build all this. So I put a wall across there. They built that, put some laser turrets, put a radar, put another roboport. Okay, now once that roboport is in place, it's connected to my network. So now I can just say, do this. I can just, put a blueprint over there, and the bots have access to everything in my base, everything in a logistic chest in my base, all the parts and stuff like that they have access to. So then it was just a matter of building up the power, which I did. I just said, build more, and they built that, and build more, and they built that, and they're still building it. They're still placing the solar panels and accumulators down through there. There was oil down here. This is the bug area again. This is not, I don't control this part of the maze, but there was oil down here. So I told them to told the bots to put pump jacks, which they did, and build pipe, which they did. So the pipe's going up through here, and it goes to flamethrower turrets. And I told the bots build a wall. So I'm taking over the bug area of the maze by remote control. Before I did the pump jacks down there, I wanted to build a wall first, and so I put a little machine here and had the bots bring over some barrels filled with oil, and so they put the barrels they put the oil barrels in there, and this machine empties the oil barrels, and that put oil up there to the flamethrower turrets, and these are empty barrels over here. I just did that to kind of play around again. I'm just having fun. It was a little trick I think I saw. I think it was JD Plays. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was. JD Plays is a Factorio player. And I don't have the logistics system researched yet. So I don't have the other chests. And so what you can do is, as a poor man's requester chest, I think is what he called it, you put a storage chest, which is what this one is, the yellow one. That's a storage chest. And so what that does is when the bots are told to tear up something, when you tell the bots to deconstruct something, they put the parts into a storage chest. So I put a storage chest there, and then I put some oil-filled barrels over here in this chest where I'm standing. I disconnected the roboports over here, so this was not. So these networks were not connected. So this chest then was in this network. This roboport here that I'm pointing to and this one were the network, and I removed this roboport here. So these two then were in a separate network. I then picked the deconstruction planner and I said deconstruct this chest. So then what happens is the bots came over, grabbed, and it had oil barrels in it. The bots came over, grabbed all the oil barrels out of the chest, and they took the oil barrels to the nearest storage chest, which was this one. And then this had oil barrels. This inserter picked up the oil barrels, put them into that machine. This machine empties oil barrels. It puts the empties in here, and then the oil went into this pipeline, and that's how I put oil to my flamethrower turrets to begin with. So that was kind of fun, kind of a fun little hack. And then as my solar power got bigger and bigger and bigger, I put some laser turrets, and then that was before I had oil over here on this side, before I put the pump jacks down here. So then once I got enough power with solar panels, which you can see they're still working on, there was oil over here. And so I put pump jacks, and now I have my own oil supply on this side of the maze, and it's going up here to the wall. And then I'm only able to do this because there were no bugs over here. I mean, you can attack bugs by remote control if you have landmines. You can tell your bots to put landmines, and you can say if there's a bug there, you can blueprint a landmine and put it right next to the bug, and the bot will fly over and put the landmine there, and it'll blow up the bug. So there's a way to use construction bots to attack. I didn't have to do that. There were no bugs over here. I don't know why, but there were no bugs. So then this was all secure, and then I put my Roboport extension blueprint and extended my network up through here, and moved the wall up here. So I've done that so far. I've got the wall up to here now with flamethrowers and laser turrets. So I'm just going to keep doing that. I'm just kind of, just doing it for the fun of it. Now, I don't know how effective that would be. I would need some way to do combat. I mean, I could do the landmine trick, but it works. You lose some bots, but really what I should probably do now that I have or will have yellow science running is to do research for artillery. On artillery, I could fire all the way across the wall. It wouldn't make any difference. Take out the bug bases with artillery, and then this would protect this part of the base from counterattacks. And then once all the bugs are removed, build the wall. Well, in fact, I could do that now. I could extend my Roboport up here and build the same wall print up here right now. And then once I did artillery, the bugs would counterattack somewhere, either here on this wall or over on this wall. And then once the bugs are removed with artillery, then I can tell the bots to advance down through there. Anyway, I'm just having fun. I told you, I'm just doing this for the fun of it. I know maybe a lot of my normal viewers aren't not too crazy about this Maze Adventure series. I'm almost done. I'm gonna go. I think after this, I've already been thinking about it. I think I want to do a complete playthrough, because I do want to test my blueprints. I've been making a few changes, but it'll be essentially a guaranteed rocket launch. If you've never launched a rocket in Factorio, it'll be blueprint book, A to Z. Follow my lead in my series, and you'll be able to launch a rocket. That's what I'm thinking. You can let me know in the comments if you'd rather see something different. So while the bots are doing this, while they're building my solar power over there in the bug territory, I do want to hook up the yellow science, because I can't do any research right now. Oh, and I'm using a different microphone. It probably sounds different. I'm in the process of switching out the dynamic microphone, which I think was failing, and with a new dynamic microphone, which I'm looking at right now, but I need more equipment is ordered and it's on the way. I need a preamp for this new microphone. So once that arrives, I'll hook that up and hopefully it works. But this will have to do for now. So let's see. I need to get you running so I can do research. And I don't know if I've got enough stuff to do all this, but let's find out. Processing units go over here. And here. Like that. I need some parts. Where's my mall? Mall is here. some splitters. Undergrounds. There's circuits. Ooh, I don't know if I have enough green circuits. So anyway, there's green. It wants green circuits and steel, and I'm looking at green circuits and steel right here. So let's find out what happens. So this is going to go here. There's circuits and steel. Lubricant. Do I have that over here? Where was I using lubricant? That is lubricant, yeah. Where was I using that? Right there. Yeah, it is over here. So this can go this way. And you are lubricant here. Iron plate is up here. You are iron plate. You know what? That's an iron plate there. Give me this. A red splitter, and actually I don't need a red splitter there. I need this, and this needs to be a red splitter down here. These both need. No, I had it right the first time. This needs to be a red splitter, and this does not need to be. This does not need to be a red splitter. Like that. That still is not a full belt, is it? No. Then this goes batteries. Batteries are here. So I want to bring down more iron plate. I'll leave this down here. There's batteries. And batteries are here. There's batteries. You have lubricant. Yes, you do. There's batteries. A bunch of copper plate. We have copper plate here. Let's do this. Here's copper. And you are going to be copper here. And copper here. There's copper, plastic, and steel. There's, steel over there too. Okay, there's plastic. Then I need steel. And where does the steel come from? Right here. This. There's steel. Batteries, iron plate, circuit steel, lubricant, steel plastic, processing units. Science comes up there. Sounds reasonable. You need to go. You need to go. Where do you need to go? Science, you need to go to the left somewhere. There's not a lot of room left. I'm just telling you. Can I go down here? No, I've got to go through here. And I gotta go over here. I could go here. There's room there. Yeah, I can get through there. And I can get through there. Okay, so you need to go left. You need to go through... Wait, is that what I said? Through here and then where? You gotta go through there. You gotta make it through this. Yeah, I can get through there. So you're gonna go like this. Like this. Where am I going now? I'm going... I need to go down here. Just to make it by this corner here. So I could go here. And here. And I can go down here. Yes, I can go down through here. How do I make it down there exactly? This way. You need to go over here. You could go there and there. You could go here. You could go here. You need to go down here. You can go here. You can go here. To go there because of that, don't you? Yes. That is to be down there. So that inserter can grab that. You need to go here. does this one go? Here. Like that. I didn't help myself at all, did I? You need to go down here. This one can go down here, though. That one can go across there. And this one could go down here. Can you go? What if I use a red one? How far will you go? You will go there. Can you go there? And can you go there? You could go here. You were science. Yes, you were going to be science. Why are you not running? Broke it. No, it didn't. You are running. You're not running. You're packed up. What am I missing here? You are not there. That gets me all the time. That's not really an inserter. That's a ghost of an inserter. That'll be a slight delay. Slight delay as we wait for flying robot frames. Okay. Alright, where was I at? Right here. So this is going to be science here. Science there, science there, science there, science there, science there. Oops, stop moving. You can go down this way. You can go over here. You can go, you have to go where? You have to go, you have to be a new belt. Ah, right. Okay. Is there room in here? There is room in there. Like that. And you can go over here. And you can go up here. Like this. And you can go in there. See? Nothing to it. Okay, so that'll put science in there. Now, why don't I see any science? I do see some science. Okay. There's not a lot. There's a little. Oh, it's probably, yeah. Okay, it's not enough copper. boost that. You are yellow belt. Let's see if this makes more sense. More economical to do this. There's more copper. Copper there, copper there. Don't need that. Copper there. There's more copper. And that'll be more science, and you are going to the labs, I think. Looks like you're going somewhere. Yes, so now we can do research that has, this is what I want, logistics system. So with the utility science, the yellow one, I can research this. This gives me 3 new chests. The active provider chest, I use that in the nuclear power plant. That's where I put the spent fuel cells. It's that basically what that chest says is come and get the stuff as quickly as possible and put it in a storage chest somewhere else. So I use that for spent fuel cells. And then these 2 chests can request items. So for example, my expansion where I'm moving this, taking over bug territory, those would have been handy and still will be, where I can do requests of things. You can also use them. The buffer chest is really, I think it's designed for like a forward area where you can request supplies and the bots will deliver supplies to that chest, and then as you're doing something, building or advancing, the supplies will be nearby. So that'll give me those. I definitely want that. What else do I want? Oh, artillery. I can research that now, can't I? What do I need? What's the prereq for that? Yeah, let's do that. That'll take a long time. What is that one cost-wise? 2,000? Yeah, let's do that. But with artillery, I can clear out the bugs across the maze walls. And there's the science. How is the other sciences doing while I'm here? Everything's probably backed up because I'm not doing any research, but that looks okay. And ooh, stone brick is weak. Ooh, stone brick is dead. Stone is dead. Oh, this is probably a tiny stone patch, wasn't it? Where was that? Stone, 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 dead. Yep. Okay, I need more stone. Ooh, there's big stone right there. Can I get you... Where do you have to go? You have to go here. Is there any way to get you down there? You have... Well, you don't have to go here. That's where the smelting is, but the stone needs to go... Well, it's essentially the same thing. Can I get a belt down through here? Ugh. Yeah, I can get a belt through there. I didn't really plan that very well, did I? I should have left more room when I built this stuff in there. Should have left lanes of for belts to move stuff, but I can get a belt down through there. So I need stone smelting, and I need to bring the stone brick over here essentially. What else did I need it for? Okay, well let me set up the stone smelting here and bring the stone brick to where it currently is right here. Yeah, so I need stone smelting here. Okay, give me, wait, that's in my build area, right? No, it isn't. Okay. Give me some electric furnaces. Give me some electric furnaces and I will build Stone smelting. Do I have electric furnaces? I do have some. Do I have mining drills? No. Give me some mining drills. And some belt. And let's go set up some stone smelting. Stone's gonna have to go. Where did I say? Over here? What a mess. Gotta get stone through this mess. We can do it somehow. I don't know how. Somehow. I can do it. Okay, yeah, I think I can do that. Oh, I don't remember. Did I show you that I made power armor? I don't know. I guess I didn't, did I? Yeah, so I have power armor now. I got tired of being slow. So I put exoskeletons. Oh, I needed more portable. There we go. I made some more. Didn't put them in there yet. Portable solar and some batteries. So now I can run faster. Oh, let's. Oh, I have power up here already. Why do I have power up there? Put a radar, didn't I? Yeah, okay. That'll work. Oops. Oops, oops, oops. Okay, and this goes here. Yeah, I'm kind of geeking out on this new audio equipment that I'm buying for the videos. I'm a geek after all. I ordered a preamp for the dynamic microphone that has vacuum tubes in it. So you can't go wrong with vacuum tubes on preamps. Okay, so that goes like that. That goes like that. I need power down through here. And power here. So you don't cover that side over there, do you? No. And I cannot fit those in there. No. So you need to power the top. And you are powered. That one is powered. These are not. You need to power that one. Okay, yeah, it's just basically it's kind of lined up with that one there. Like that. And power here. Like that. Okay, looks reasonable. And electric furnaces. I grabbed some. Yes, I did. These plates are going to go down here. It doesn't matter which side. Let's put it here. Stone is different than iron ore. It requires more stone to smelt. Well, oh, I don't have enough furnaces anyway, do I? Okay, let's do 12. I don't need that many anyway. There's 12. We'll start with this. I didn't leave enough room anyway. If I did that, and then that, and then that, you could go down there, and you could have smelted stuff coming out there. Okay. Let's see how that does. And then you can do this. And then if I did that again, like this. Like that. And then you could take this. And that, and you need power. And power over here. Like that. And you are pointing the wrong way. And there's stone brick. Which way did I hook you up? You are input. Probably built it completely backwards. I have two inputs. Actually, you should have been. Well, it doesn't matter. I did that one backwards too, didn't I? I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. Let's see. Normally this would be the input side, and this would be the output side. I did it exactly backwards. Well, I got to be consistent now, so this has to be output on the right. And this is input over here. I was talking about JD Plays earlier, and I thought I was in Australia. Messed everything up, built it the wrong way. Went left-hand drive instead of right-hand drive. Okay, and then this was here. Oops. There is stone brick, and that has to go down this way somehow or other. And you are going to go where? You are going to go there's stone brick, but I need to get this to where I need to get this. Where am I going to build this? Where am I going to build this? That's not super huge, is it? Let's see, what did you need for inputs again? What did you need for inputs? You needed stone, brick, stone. Oh, I need stone also. Stone, brick, stone, steel, iron plate circuits. I need stone too. Didn't plan on that either, did I? Well, I can bring that stone line down. How much do you need? Ooh, you have a red belt. Okay, so that means there's a full yellow belt of stone brick and a full yellow belt of stone. do that, then you have to go into the science build. Let's see, where's that science build? Come here, science build. Where will you fit? You will fit there. Will you not? You will. That sure would be convenient for stone, brick, and stone, wouldn't it? That would be convenient for that. Stone, brick, and stone. Steel, iron plate circuits. Steel. Steel, iron plated circuits. Well, I could get steel over there. I could make circuits. What about iron plate? There's iron plate there. Give me this. Come here. What if I built it? What if I built? I gotta get the science down here to the labs. I could use bots to deliver it. You will fit in there. Where do we get the steel from? Steel. Don't know if that can supply enough stone to make stone bricks and supply stone down here, but let's find out. Let's find out and see if it can. You need to go. Oh, it's a shared belt. Stone, brick, and stone on a red shared belt. Okay. Where are you? Where are you, belt? Oh, you are fuel. Can't break you. Oh yeah, lots of fuel. Okay, I did not break it, did I? No, I did not. Okay. This was stone, brick, and stone. And that was over here. Stone, brick, and stone. Stone, brick, and stone. Iron plate. Do I have more iron plate? Where are you coming from? Oh, that was a separate. Oh, okay. I can smelt more if I need more. But this will do for now. Steel. Steel is here. Where else was steel? Steel is there. I could smelt steel up there if I needed more steel. Where was I? Where was I also smelting steel? I was not smelting steel. I was not. Oh, I can set up more steel smelting. I'll do that off camera. I won't bore you with watching that, but if that's, it is backed up. If that's not enough, I can set up more with electric furnaces, more steel smelting. So I will get some steel in here. I'll figure out where I want to do that. I may set up more smelting of steel. And then circuits. Do I have enough circuits? They're backed up again. There's the red ones. do I have more green ones? I'll do that as well. I'll get red and green circuits up here. So I will do that. That's all I need, right? Yes. So I will get steel. I'll figure out what I want to do with steel. I may set up electric furnace smelting to get more steel, and I'll bring some red and green circuits up here and connect it, and that'll get this science running. And I'll show you what it looks like the next time. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. I'll soon get on back on to some more of a familiar series the next time. See ya.